How to unlock your iPhone when you forget the passcode? How to unlock your iPhone using Find My. Go to the iCloud webpage and log into your account. Click on the Find iPhone option. From the map, select your iPhone's location. Then, click on Erase iPhone. Confirm the action by clicking on Erase. Now, follow the steps on the screen and erase everything. When the iPhone resets, set it up and download your files from iCloud or choose another option. How to unlock your iPhone using iTunes. Turn off your iPhone. Go to the recovery mode. Visit the guide linked below to find out how to enter the recovery mode for your model. When the device is in recovery mode, open iTunes. When a window appears stating that there was a problem with your iPhone, click on Restore. Wait while your iPhone is restored to factory settings and unplug it from the PC. Turn on your device, set it up and recover the backup. How to unlock your iPhone using voice control. This method only works if you have set it before. To set voice control, open the Settings app. Tap on Accessibility, then tap on Voice Control. Locate and tap on Customize Commands. Select the Create New Command option. In the phrase field, enter the word that will unlock your iPhone when you say it. When done, tap on Action, then tap on Run Custom Gesture. Now, you can either tap the screen to create a sequence or swipe across to create a pattern. When done, tap on Save, located in the top right corner. Now, tap on New Command, and then on Save. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.